This quick breakdown will help you figure out whether GoShare, Lugg, Roadie, or TaskRabbit is the best fit for what you need. Let's start with GoShare. GoShare is great when you need both the vehicle and a driver. You pick what kind of vehicle you need, pickup, cargo van, or box truck, and enter your pickup and drop off details. GoShare gives you instant pricing, lets you schedule the job right away, and pairs you with a background check driver. It's reliable and fast, especially for large moves or delivery jobs. But pricing can climb quickly if your move takes longer or involves stairs. Now let's talk about Lugg. Lugg works a lot like GoShare but focuses even more on furniture and store pickups. You choose what you need help with, moving, delivery, or labor only, and Lugg sends one or two movers with a truck. It's super convenient if you're picking up a new couch or just need help with loading and unloading. It's a bit more expensive than some DIY style platforms, but it's a great hands-off option if you want someone else to do the heavy lifting. Next up is Roadie. This app is all about crowdsourced delivery. If your move is more about transporting a few boxes or lightweight items across town or even cross-country, Roadie is a budget-friendly pick. You post your job and a nearby driver picks it up, usually someone already headed in that direction. The downside is that it's not really built for full-service moving, you won't get help loading or unloading, and you're relying on someone else's schedule. Lastly, you've got TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is super flexible. You're hiring individual taskers who can help with anything: packing, lifting, organizing, even cleaning after the move. You can filter by experience, reviews, and hourly rates. It's not an all-in-one moving solution like GoShare or Lugg, but if you're doing a DIY move and just need an extra set of hands, it's a great fit. If you want a reliable truck and driver combo with instant pricing, GoShare is a strong choice. If you want full moving help with little effort on your end, Lugg is even more hands-off. If you're sending smaller stuff across a longer distance and want to save, go with Roadie. And if you're planning everything yourself and just need to hire help by the hour, TaskRabbit is flexible and affordable.